not stop our enthusiasm. We had indoor games activities instead.
We had a great time listening to Philippine Eagle stories.
We learned different eagle behaviors. Look, we are eager to get those prey items. Do eagles feel like this too when they hunt? I like the part where we need to grab prey items on the floor.
It's okay, pal.
Congratulations, you win another Malaya sticker.
Thinking eagles are smart.
Overall, it was a fun experience. I am pretty sure being an animal keeper is cool.
Looking forward to meet my newly made friends again.